How do you use your APIs in your AI apps? Well, the answer is tool calling. Function calling or tool calling allows LLMs to interact with APIs and external tools. So instead of just generating text, the LLM can determine that a specific action needs to be taken and then request that action to be performed by an external function. And the function call can be a custom function or it can be an API. Tool calling lets LLMs interpret a user's request, decide which action needs to be taken, and then invoke your API as a function to fulfill that task. In other words, your existing endpoints become callable tools that an AI agent can reason over and use. This fundamentally changes what it means to build AI. You don't need to train a model or dive deep into ML pipelines. You guys have all built quality APIs, and we know how to optimize them for AI. You've already done the hard part. This is what powers AI agents that can shop, summarize, troubleshoot, and automate, all by calling the services that you already built. Tool calling is the bridge between the AI layer and your backend logic. It's how LLMs become useful and how your APIs become intelligent. Postman makes tool calling much easier by allowing developers to define and organize their APIs in collections that AI agents can easily understand and invoke. Each endpoint in a collection includes details like method type, parameters, authentication, and sample responses. All of this helps the AI reason about which tool to use and how to use it effectively. Postman also provides a collaborative interface to test and refine these APIs, ensuring that they behave reliably when called by an AI. There's a lot of platforms that let you do tool calling, but one of the reasons that Postman differs is that since you already have APIs living in Postman, you don't need to write custom wrappers or glue code together. This significantly reduces integration overhead and allows you to focus on defining meaningful capabilities rather than managing infrastructure. Let me show you how to do tool calling with Postman. In the agent block, we have the model selector. I'm using a standard model here. They're all pretty good choices. The prompt is the system prompt, not the user prompt. The user prompt comes in as context. You can call it whatever you want. I called it user question. The tools down here are actually flows modules. So for instance, here I give it two tools, get today's date and get today's weather. So get today's date is just an evaluate block with one line of TypeScript that returns the current date. There's no input for this. The important thing to note here is the labeling. The name of the module and the output need to be the same because the modules are the tools that can be called. So it understands that get today's date means get today's date and that the output is today's date. So when I call this with my scenario, it just asks the user question, what is today's date? And then if I go down here to details, it shows me the log of what happened. So the system prompt was answer the user question to the best of your ability. And the user question was, what's today's date? And then the assistant called the get today's date function with no input, and the output was today's date, and it was able to answer that today's date was June 17th. Now let's take a look at the API. We see the two string inputs, longitude and latitude, and then it calls this API using those inputs to get the weather for that location. And then it outputs the maximum temperature, minimum temperature, and today's weather code. Now, if I go to the AI flow, I can run a scenario that compares the weather in Boston, Chicago, and LA today. Normally, this would take a lot of orchestration. However, if I look at the log, it actually calls get today's weather with latitude and longitude for Los Angeles, Boston, and Chicago. So it calls that tool 3 times without me needing to tell it to do that, and then it's able to output the comparison. This is where you see the value of tool calling. We're just using one API, and we can use that as many times as we need to in our AI app to solve said problem. In this video, we learned how to use your APIs in your AI apps as callable tools.